What's up? I hope you guys are doing well. My name is Maria Waiwonwa, and in today's video, I'd like to let us know some of the things you need to do and the things you're not meant to do on the verge of saying you want to get a baby boy or a baby girl. Okay. Some of the people all over the world, they are too inquisitive to know why they've not gotten a baby boy. Some of the people are so, getting this on their nerves, and I want a baby girl. Some other people say I don't want at all, but whichever one you want to do, it is quite time you decide on which one and on which way to go forward. I believe we can do this in just a twinkle of an eye by doing just what I call the fastest step. Okay, so this step we are talking about is just the simple truth, and I believe it's not what everyone would tell you, but I think this is right because I've done it several times and this has really helped. Okay, so it is good you listen attentively, and at the end of this video, please, I'd like to say you share it to your friends, subscribe if you've not done so, like my channel so that you get more update. All right, thank you. Now let's quickly look on how you're gonna get your baby boy and your baby girl. Okay, let's go on. Now the first thing you need to do is just to get yourself known, or make sure you activate your mind about having the one you want. When you know the one you want, then you do the job. The first one, let's say you want to get a baby boy, then you don't need to worry yourself so much about it. All you need to do is just to, arrange yourself, organize yourself, take some of the vitamins that you need to take your nutrition adequately, enrich your folic acid, enrich your, the potassium aspect of it by taking much of banana, avocado, your vegetables, your tomatoes, ensure that your nutrients are very much in good condition. The next is to do the job, to run the race. Just make your bed, get ready, have your fun. You see, some of the people are just surprised on how to have this fun. A lot of people say, oh, I'm gonna have a special style. I want to get a baby boy. For that reason, I'm going to fly with my knees up, down. Oh, no. You don't need to worry yourself about it. The simple position you need to take is just the supine position, okay? Just feel relaxed, calm yourself down, your partner too. Relax yourself. You don't need to raise your legs up and down at the same moment. Just relax yourself. Lie down with your back. Allow your man to be on top, and you put a pillow under your hips, because this will help your uterus to be in the actual position that will help these warm swimmers to quickly run up to where they're going to, and that is the fallopian tube. Okay, yeah, so for you to do this, you don't need to disturb yourself so much. Just put a pillow under your hips, then you lie down. Then your man or your partner or whoever will just be on top. Do the thing quietly and just relax yourself. As you relax yourself for like 10 to 15 minutes, not being a haste to rush to the washroom or to do some other things, or to say let me just do this or that. No. Within 10 to 15 minutes, you're just there relaxing, maybe trying to sleep off, okay, and that will be fine. So the other step, I said that there are two. This is the first one, and the second one, I mean that when you ovulate, oh, don't give yourself the headache of using the ovulation kit no more. It's no longer working, because a lot of people have gotten this on their nerves to say, oh, I'm so much worried, I cannot pick up my ovulation, I don't even know, I have invested so much money, so much time to know when I'm ovulating, but it's not coming up. It's just a waste of time. So I believe what you need to do is to just calculate your cycle very well. How do you do this? You need need to indicate your first day of menses, which is your day 1. When you indicate this, you count it from there to maybe, let's say if you have 26 days or 28 days or 30 days, whichever one you have or whichever one your cycle is reading, you have to divide it into 2. Assuming you have a 26-day cycle, your 13th day is the ovulation day, okay? Just get this into your mind. Stop wasting your time. Stop disturbing yourself. Stop worrying yourself, please. If, let's say, you're on the 30th day cycle, you know that your 15th day is the ovulation day. And what you need to do is to start having sex 3 days before you ovulate. Because let's say if you want a baby boy, if you ovulate 3 days before that 15th day or before the 14th day or before the 13th day, okay, the sperm is going to rush quickly and wait for the egg to come out. That means for you to ovulate. If the sperm is there waiting for the egg, as soon as the egg comes up, the Y chromosome will quickly rush because they are the one very much energetic to move. They are the fastest to move when they want to do their running, okay? So please, as you hear this today, the thing you need to do, relax yourself, calm yourself down, have your sex 3 days before you ovulate if you want a baby boy. Then if you want a baby girl, just allow yourself to ovulate, or your ovulation day, which should be half of your cycle day, then you start doing your thing, okay? If you do it before you ovulate, 3 days before you ovulate, let's say 3 days completely. Some people will say, if my cycle is a 30-day cycle, then the 15th day is my ovulation day. They will say, oh, I'm going to meet my man at the maybe 12th day, and for that, I'll meet him again on the 18th day. Oh, that is bad. You have to meet him if you need a baby boy 3 days before you ovulate, and that 3 days, that means that's 3 days. You don't just pick one day from the 3 days and start. No, you do it. That's 3 days. You complete your stuff. Then you can actually do it after the ovulation day. That means you want a baby girl. So most of the people, they said, I didn't get my baby boy. I did what you guys asked me to do, and today the thing has failed me. Oh, my sister, please, you didn't do it well. Please take your partner, take time to study yourself, study your cycle, so that you do this. You have sex, not having fun right now. You have sex just 3 days before your ovulation day. No longer on your ovulation day, because you might ovulate right inside the body without you knowing it. Sometimes some people say they will be waiting for their body to, to secrete all the things that you need to look out for. Most times when you're looking out for all these things, you may not find them, or you may not, you will say, I'm not ovulating. No, the thing you need to do is just to calculate your menstrual cycle, be optimistic enough. Just tell yourself, see when I'm going to ovulate, and you get prepared for that. But if you want a baby girl, it's as simple as ABCD. Just do your thing from your ovulation date and beyond. Okay, so that means you get a baby girl. But if you do it 3 days before you ovulate, that means you want the Y chromosomes to wait for the egg to come out. And that is the basic thing. Because I know that as soon as possible, the eggs are released, from the ovary bulb, they are going to just catch up with the Y chromosomes as quickly as possible. Okay, so let's not make this mistake every time. Or you say, someone said to me, hey, there is another position I have to take, or this and that, for me to get a baby boy or girl. You don't need to worry yourself. Have your supine position. Put a pillow behind put a pillow under your hips. Relax yourself. have fun. You don't need to have the oxygen or you is there already. You don't need commercial lubricants. You don't need all those things. Just do your natural thing, have your fun, relax, maybe like 10 to 15 minutes. You relax very well, and you move on. After which, before the end of that day, let's say 1, 2, 3 days you are ovulating, you see you'll be having your baby boy. I've tried this and I'm good in that. See, that is the way I used to make my choice of baby sex and all that. You see, I don't need to give myself headache so long as I have a normal or a regular menstrual cycle. Your problem could be that you didn't know your menstrual cycle, you didn't know when it's coming or not, or some of the contraceptive pills you've been taking have delayed your cycle from coming when it's supposed to, or it has made your cycle to be irregular, or in other words, it has caused a lot of problem for you. So you need to stop those things if you find out that they are disturbing you. If there is any other thing you're doing that you think that is hindering you, you just stop it and have a refresh. So as you watch this, I believe you're going to share it with your friends, like my channel, subscribe to this page and all that. Thank you for listening and have a good day. Thank you. You're welcome for your baby boy, baby girl. Thank you.